Hi, it's me Nisha here. I'm from Malaysia, and this is actually want to share about some of my experience and small feedback about my South India trip with the MSK Tours and Travels from 17th of August to 27th of August. And yeah, we are back home to Malaysia safely on the 27th of August. And overall, the vacation is actually a fun-filled and memorable vacation ever for me as well as for my mom. We're really thankful to Mr. Ramu, the owner of the MSK Tours and Travels, for arranging this wonderful trip for me as well for my mom. We really love the warm welcome given by him on the day of arrival. Even though it was only two of us ladies travel in this trip, and then my mom's first ever visit to India, actually we felt very secure and safe with him around all the time. And he makes sure our safety comes first. He went out his way to ensure we really enjoyed our trip. Yes, we do. We really enjoyed our trip well. The itinerary is just perfect, and he actually managed to take us to places where we request, which are not in the itinerary, without any trouble, without any hassle. He really that kind of person to help around. When we come back to the accommodation and the transportation is actually excellent. I could say this is really excellent. Okay, the rooms, whichever he booked for us, is very neat, clean, and very comfortable for two of us to stay. As well as the transportation, we transport by car. The car is it's clean and very comfortable to moving around, and the driver is very polite and friendly guy. When we come back to the food wise, actually food wise, it's a fantastic part where I had tried almost all the best foods in that particular places, and we have tried maximum of variety foods, and I love the food. He always take us to the best restaurants, and the food wise incredible. He always on time, thus made our trip very smooth, and we managed to go everywhere which is in the itinerary on the exact time. No late, no trouble. He always being around to help and guide us anything, and then he do explain, he give informations are perfect. He was there all through from the arrival till the departure. The movement from one location to another location, it actually went very smooth. No rushing, no hassle. It's just perfect for everything. And out of everything, actually the darshan, about the darshan, we managed to get all the darshans in each and every temple on the perfect timing, and we are really blessed for that. This is really made us very happy about their service. Their service is really very nice, and I and my mom really happy that actually we could buy some souvenirs at the worth the price, and he always brought us to the place where uh, prices are worthy. Yes, this person is really trustworthy and very kind, and I will surely will engage him for my second trip near time soon.